Final tips for vaccination pain relief. Children have a right to the most comfortable experience possible. Controlling your child's pain during vaccination is important.
Even adults, they'll have maybe some sort of a needle phobia, like they're scared of it and they don't want to have it.
Some going to the doctor's office or stuff, and then they like cry and sit there and have to be dragged in.
Children can become afraid of needles in different ways. The most common is by having bad experiences with needles in the past.
How many needles did you have?
2.
Were you scared before you got the needles? What, did you think they were going to hurt?
But they can also become afraid by watching others have bad experiences or by others telling them to be afraid.
Andrew, so tell me, did it sting a lot?
Help children form a positive memory of the experience by focusing on the positive aspects of the procedure and congratulating them on a job well done.
Tell me the stuff that made it better for you today.
The bubbles.
The bubbles helped? What else helped? Did sitting on your brother's lap help?
Children will also be less anxious because they know you're helping to take away the pain.
Can you point or make a...
Allowing children to grade their pain during the experience can help.
I like how after we got our needle, we got to evaluate how it felt. Like,
Yeah.
How does that make you feel if they don't ask you about that?
Makes us feel like they don't care. They
don't care.
Yeah, they don't care about our pain.
No. Gave us the needle and goodbye. It's like important to get people's opinions on how the needle felt and how the patch felt.
Now you have a toolkit. You know in your mind there's different things you can do. You can put on a patch, you can have a game or a toy, an iPod, someone can be rubbing your arm. You have all these strategies that you know will help you get through the procedure, so it's less scary. When it happens again, you know what to do.
These methods will make vaccinations less frightening for children the next time, because children will know that there are ways to take away the pain.
I remember what they said. It wasn't that bad. We got to listen to our iPods, we got to do other things, and the next time when they had to get another shot, I found that it was much more manageable.
Make a goal for your child's next vaccination and plan to bring any items you need, like topical anesthetics and distraction items,
Look in the window.
and practice ahead of time. Talk to your child's healthcare provider about what you want to do. You'll find that when you ask them to partner with you, they're usually very interested.
Advocating to reduce this pain and support your children will produce a child with less fear of the health system and a happier experience at medical encounters.
Knowing you have done your best to make your child comfortable will help you feel better too.
That was a fun visit with Dr.
These simple techniques change the experience for everyone. Kids, parents, healthcare providers,
Oh, sorry, it's already done?
Yes.
teachers,
Well, that wasn't so bad.
public health nurses. Use the information from this video to plan for your child's next vaccination. Don't forget to view the rest of the videos in this series. And remember, combining the different methods together will lead to even better results.